This is just who I am. What is a belief?
And I'm definitely excited to get into some of the key things you've learned and practical ways people can apply that. What I find really interesting is the role of self-doubt. Well, self-doubt, imposter syndrome, I think they're two ends of a pendulum that are really, it's signifying the same thing. We don't feel like we're meant to be there. We don't believe in ourselves, etc. What is the delineation between when it's useful and not?
We have a subconscious desire for other people to see us how we see ourselves. So if you doubt, if you feel unlovable, if you feel like you're not capable, you notice. I studied psychology and law. The reason why I did law, it was going to be psychology because, again, I love people. But when I finished high school, I did very well. My parents got divorced when I was about 15, 16. And my way of dealing with it was really dedicating myself to studies. And I'm a massive people pleaser. So it was like law, engineering, medicine. I picked law. I remember sitting in class at Macquarie University, listening to people throw out this legal jargon. They're throwing out what sounded like a different language. But there's an interesting story. I went to the careers advisor and I said to her, look, we actually don't learn unless we're experiencing discomfort. And when you're experiencing that, the insecurity, the increased heart rate, if you simply just tell yourself, what is a belief? A belief is simply a repeated pattern of thought that has occurred so many times. This is just who I am. Practice what's called cognitive diffusion. Essentially what you're doing is diffusing you from the thought. So rather than, I'm a failure, I'm going to mess this up, you pause, you say,